Nice bacon and sausage sandwich out of the Ridge Monkey. Kettle's boiling in a minute. The first fish of the day was a 10-pounder. I didn't catch it on film, but I'll put a picture up. Yeah, as you can see, nice little lake, and it is winter. First fish of the day was a 10.5, which is good.